Many have spoken of this place. Of its great treasures, impossible monsters, its deadly traps, and powerful weapons. They say this dungeon is enchanted. It builds itself anew for those who venture within. If you must go, take only those you trust. But do not expect to survive. Soon you too will be part of the legend of Dungeon.